Welcome to MunroMotors.com. Here we have a 2010 Chevrolet Corvette Grand Sport 3LT, black, black, and black, triple black, nice chrome wheels. It's got the aero pack on it and nice little louvers on the rear taillights, which do come off if you don't like them on there. There's just a simple screw to take them off. And then it's got the NPP Performance exhaust, which is the exhaust with the louvers on it. It's got a nice little Corvette logo down there on the exhaust as well. So a beautiful looking car, really well loved, well taken care of. In the trunk, lots of room. You have two onboard storage compartments here, one in there, and then this panel here comes off and goes down flat so that when the roof is up, you have that extra space in the trunk for cargo. So I'm just going to put it back on so that I can put the top back up later. Have a look in the door, in the seams there. That is a fabulous, clean, tidy car. Just gorgeous. So, the Grand Sport, of course, is the wide body, so you'll see that extra wide flare on the fender there to house this great, ginormous wheel. This has got the Pilot Super Sport tires on it, cross-drilled rotors, 6-piston calipers on the front here. Here's the front wheel, no curb rash, no issues, just absolutely fabulous. Love those chrome wheels, they are just the best. It's got the nice big gills in it with the Grand Sport, and there you see that aero pack all the way along the bottom, and then the brake cooling vents in the back here, just like a Z06 would have. And there's the Grand Sport mats in it. This has got the luxury leather with the perforated inserts in it, as well as the multifunction passenger seat, which has lumbar and side bolster adjustments as well. So have a look in the door frames there, beautiful car. The books are with it, the DVD nav disc is with it, the wheel lock is down in there, and there are the codes. If you're a code reader, you can read all of the codes and find out the equipment on the vehicle. Bose sound system, just a fabulous machine. Over here under the hood is the LS3. It's mated to the 6-speed automatic transmission with paddle shifters. The LS3 produces 430 horsepower plus another 6 for the NPP Performance exhaust. So 436 horses pushes this car around really nicely. The hood mat's in great condition. Everything's looking awesome. Nothing under the hood has been changed. It is unmolested. So just a beautiful car as it should be. On the front here, we've got a blacked out logo there. A couple little stone chips you're going to find on any car, and this one's no exception. So there's a little stone chip there. No big deal. Just a great looking machine. On our front wheel here, no curb rash, no issues there. Painted rotors, painted calipers, cross-drilled rotors, and love those chrome wheels. Those are brand new Michelin Pilot Super Sports, by the way, and the car has had an alignment, so all good. Back wheels, lots of rubber, good brakes, fabulous car. On the driver's door here, we have the driver memory package, the power locks, power windows, power mirrors, Bose sound system. The driver's seat has the multifunction adjustments down there as well. It's in really excellent condition, no issues there. The logo has the nice carbon fiber filler in it, so it's a blacked out logo to keep it all black with the carbon fiber on the dash there. Good looking car. So let's climb in and we'll fire this one up. Push button start, of course. We've got factory navigation here, heated seats. Up here, well, automatic transmission will show you that when we put this in S, you've got your paddle shifters here. With your paddle shifters, you can shift it and you're all good there. So there's your paddle shifts. You've got stereo controls there, Bluetooth for your telephone there, heads-up display over here, so you'll see that right in the window on the screen there. And then your driver information center over here, navigation right here, dual zone automatic air conditioning, and again the heated seats, nice little cup holder there. I'll point out a little wee flaw. There was a little bit of piece that fell out there. It's glued in. It's all good, no worries. Small flaw, not a big deal. You've got a plug-in for your phone there. Awesome car. So we've got OnStar up here, compass, and then over here is the button for the power top. So let's put the power top up and show you how that works. There's your waterfall now closing. Beautiful. And then a nice glass back window with a rear defroster. There's only one clip to do here. You just take this and turn it and lock it, and that's it. And then we put the windows up and we're all good. So 48,275 kilometers only on this car, loaded with equipment and extras, which is awesome, in absolutely stunning condition. That is a beauty. Look at that machine. Wow. Check out that nice chug from the back there. That's with the NPP. That's with the mufflers closed. It opens up with those dampers, and they open up straight open. So you can put a switch on it and have it open all the time, and it'll really bark at you, but that's a really nice machine. So there it is, folks. That's a 2010 Chevrolet Corvette Grand Sport 3LT, 48K, loaded up, here and available at munromotors.com. Hey, come on down and have a look at this one for yourself. I'll look forward to seeing you real soon.